Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. I heard that during the height of the pandemic, there was a bishop who became a plantito, yung mahilig sa halaman. After all, we really have nothing to do inside our homes. And so why not spend your time on something more productive? So one time, the bishop was very busy planting and gardening outside the rectory. Siyempre, pag mag-gardening ka, nakapambahay lang, naka-shorts, naka-plain white shirt, naka-gloves, at naka-slippers. A woman suddenly came and asked the good bishop, "Kuya, saan po ang parish office?" And so apparently we know that the woman did not recognize the bishop. The bishop then said to the woman, "Naku, sarado pa po ang opisina. Baka maya-maya pa po ang bukas. Half day lang po kasi ang pasok ngayon." The woman said, "Sige po kuya, staff po ba kayo dito? Baka pwede ho, pakiabot na lang yung letter namin. Pinapabigay po ng boss ko. Gusto po sana namin imbitahan si bishop." The bishop just smiled and told the woman na, "Sige ho, makakarating po ito kay bishop." My dear friends, oftentimes we see life as a mountain to be climbed, a ladder to go up to, and a sky to be explored. Na ang buhay po ay tila ba isang mahabang paglalakbay ng pag-angat. Hindi matapos-tapos, pataas ng pataas, paahon ng paahon. And when we reach the top, it becomes very hard for us to lower down ourselves, look back on where we came from, and humble ourselves. But not in the case of the centurion in our gospel today. Centurion na po siya. Mataas na ang posisyon sa army. At ni-research ko po, ang centurion daw ay parang captain sa panahon natin ngayon. People were subject to him and there are a lot under him. Pero heto si Jesus, isang dayuhan, isang karpentero, isang guro na marunong magpagaling. May isang hiling lang po yung centurion, mapagaling yung kanyang alagad. At dito po nanggaling ang isa sa mga pinakasikat na linya na palagi po nating nadidinig. He said, "Lord, I am not worthy that you should enter under my roof. But only say the word, and my servant shall be healed." You see, sometimes titles are useless. Social status is irrelevant. And positions are just futile. All we need is humility. Just like the bishop that I have shared. Maybe humility is the key to God's heart. To be humble is to allow God's miracles to work in our lives. Who knows? Amen.